Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you HyunA's I'm Not Cool teaser dance. Let's get started. Now let's learn from the beginning. Let's go with the counts. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Okay, let's repeat that one more time. The first intro. So it's going to start 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. From here, the second intro, we're going to go on 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6. Okay, so the you can't really see in the video, so I'm just guessing. And then we're gonna bring our both hands, boom, to the chorus. Okay, so let's repeat that second intro one more time. From here, 7, 8, we go 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and boom, 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 cat, cat. Let's put that all together from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So now moving on to the chorus, we are going to go and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2, and. So your feet is going to go down, hit, and you have to push your butt behind, down, push, okay? So we're going to go and back, and tap, tap. Our hands go and back, and tap, tap. Our feet is going to go and boom, tap, 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 and boom, tap, tap, tap. So we're going to do that 4 times. 5, 6, 7, 8, and boom, and tap, and boom, and tap, tap, boom, and tap, tap, and boom, and tap, tap. After this, we're going to go drag it back, and our hands is going to go in this way, and your feet is going to go open. So we're here. Now we open, doom, 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 and hit. Okay, and I'm just guessing we're going to the other side doing the same thing. Open, boom, boom, and then you can just come back. I'm not cool. All right, let's review that chorus once again. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and I'm not cool. Yay! You guys have already learned HyunA's I'm Not Cool teaser dance. And I hope you guys like my tutorial, and I hope it helped. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, hit a like, and comment below. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye. Till next time.